There she is. Oh, yeah. Do it on there. Hey, girl, right there on the orange spot. If you're not going to do it right, I'm going to bite you. Okay, now get it right.
On the chin?
Yep, you gotta do that side too. Oh, I feel so good. Do around the back of her neck. Okay, I'm getting a lovely picture of your hand. Hey, kid, you want to do it right? Yeah, right there's good. What are you doing? Will somebody teach this kid how to pet me? Yeah, that's all right. Oh, that feels so good. I'm just closing my eye. Hey, who are you with the camera? Didn't know I was in a movie. What are you laughing about, kid? You're not doing it right. It's not funny. Charlie, it's not funny. Are you gonna pet me or are you just messing around? Right there on the orange spot, kid. Yeah. Okay. Somebody needs to teach this kid. Oh, right there. Oh, yeah. Oh. What's that on the TV, huh? Oh, it's a commercial. Sweetie Pie.